Hi folks, I'm going to demonstrate the true wireless stereo feature of the EarFun Go speakers. And I'm also going to dunk one of the EarFun Go's in some water. But I wanted to actually show you guys how to do this. It's very simple. Let's begin. We're going to connect the first speaker. And what we'll do is turn on the second speaker, and we're going to hold down these Bluetooth buttons for 5 seconds. And there, as you can hear, they connected. So let's just listen to some non-copyrighted music here, give you an idea of their sound, which I think is pretty good for this price range. You can also stand these up. Okay, let's dunk one of them. Let's see here. Well, that's about it. Not the greatest video editor in the world or anything, but this gives you an idea of their sound and the true wireless stereo function, and also dunking it in water. They're waterproof as well. I think just, the value is great for this price range. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, sorry about the video quality.